Hello and welcome to Forex Signals TV. I'm Shane Vernier, market analyst over at How to Trade. This week, it's Inauguration Week. The biggest story is going to be the inauguration of President Trump. There's a lot going on there, potential terrorist activities. We're watching the gold market relatively closely. So, the coming 5 days on the markets, we have a holiday closure Monday. What's going to happen Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday? We're going to take a look at the top trade for this week and see if we can get you off and rolling in 2025 on the right foot. Okay, here we go. All right, we have an unconventional trading week in store for us. Monday, the markets are closed for MLK Day, and also it's Inauguration Day. Trump will be sworn in as the 47th President of the United States. That ceremony has been moved inside. Now, there's a lot of scuttlebutt. There's a lot of rumors, and the nation is on high alert. Believe it. The nation is on high alert right now. The ceremony's been moved indoors due to cold, but there's still a lot of angst about a possible terror attack at the inauguration. So we're watching that closely. Keep an eye on your safe havens. Exactly when those futures markets open on Monday evening, you could get a big bump out of those safe havens. So if you're trading gold, silver, maybe even bonds, I would keep a close eye on what happens during Inauguration Day. Now, the big headliner event later in the week, Friday, it's going to be during the Asia session, the U.S. overnight, the BoJ announcements. The BoJ, there's rumors that they're going to hike interest rates, and if they do, it's going to be an absolute light show for the Nikkei and the Japanese yen. We're watching very closely. It's going to be the JPY versus the majors, and that's going to be our trade of the week. We're going to look at the dollar yen. We're going to give you the technical outlook and a potential trade right around this BoJ event, and it addresses a lot of the rumors that are going on. So let's head over to the price charts and get you the trade idea. Okay, here's a look at the daily technicals for the dollar yen. As you can see, we have a golden cross that's set up back on December 13th. Since then, it's been a pretty good buy and hold type of a trade. You could definitely still hold your longs right now. We had actually a trade idea in the trading room that was buying in to this market based on a weekly retracement, and it was a very good trade, paid us off in short order. If you wanted to still hold longs, you could do that. Now, for me, my trade of the week, I'm looking at the cycle level right up here at 160, and then also 2024's high, which is going to be right up there at about 160, 195. So in the event that we keep rallying, I'm going to want to scalp right there in front of 160. So I'm looking to sell right there. You can see we're going to go ahead and sell 159.75s, and we're going to look for a pullback down there right into this zone, which is going to be right around 157.29s. And we're going to risk about 125, so we're going to put 125 pips up there, about stop loss right around 161.29. So we're looking for a little bit of short-term price action here. I would love to get a nice scalp, would love to see an early week rally, go up there and test out that 160 level, and then maybe we get the Bank of Japan to tighten interest rates, and we'll have an opportunity maybe to get the big sell-off. What I will say about this chart, though, I fully expect us at some point to test the waters above 2024's high. Now, if in fact we do get a rate hike, then that probably won't happen. We'll see a big reversal in this market. I'm just optimistic that we get the short from 160 before we get the big reversal. Now, one last thing that I will say about long-term technicals, remember, markets have memories. This is a monthly chart on your Japanese yen, and take a look at what levels we're trading at. I mean, we're going back, and I mean we're going way back to the early 80s, 1986. This is back during the panic, the big panic of 85. This is what we call a very thin chain. Now, I understand that was a long time ago, and I mean a long time ago. But believe me, markets have memories, and once we break above 2024's high, this spike high that formed back in April of 1990, we sort of rejected that zone. If we break above that, there really is no telling how high the dollar yen can go. So right now, I'm optimistic that the long side's the right side. However, I'm not above taking a short side scalp, and if we do get an opportunity to sell right up there in front of 160, that's the trade of the week. Okay, we do things like this every day on our live streams over at howtotrade.com. Be sure to head over to the trading room. We have a daily trade idea as well. We're keeping track, we're keeping score. So pop in, you'll see the performance stats, and you'll also see the trades. If you have any questions at all, howtotrade.com, private message me. I'll get back to you in short order. Okay, that's it. Here we go. Definitely a unique week to start off 2025 with. A lot going on here with the transfer of power in the United States. We're definitely watching for signs of civil unrest, potentially could drive safe havens higher, maybe stocks lower. Monetary policy, tariffs, trade wars, it's all coming our way in Q1 2025. Cruise on over to How to Trade. Check out a live stream. We have actionable trade ideas each and every day, and you can ask me anything you'd like. So let's get off on the right foot, and we'll see you over there.